Welcome back to the My Tesla channel. My name is Jeremiah, and in this video, we're gonna be taking a look at what I believe to be the best performance cosmetic accessory, while at the same time being the solution to a problem that I've had with the Model 3s and Model Ys since I became an owner. So let's get into it. So what I'm holding in my hands right now is a real, this one's technically Spectre Fiber, but carbon fiber dashboard replacement along with the door trim piece as well, that uses an OEM Tesla dashboard and can be installed in less than 15 minutes. I want you to digest what I just said, and I don't know why I'm using this as a pointer. It's real carbon fiber, or Spectre Fiber, not fake. It's a full replacement made from an OEM Tesla dash, so it's not a cover, meaning that it's not gonna fall off in 3 weeks, and it fits perfect because, like I said, it's an OEM Tesla dash. And it's super easy to install. Okay, yeah, this is getting a little bit. It's super easy to install. I can be pretty stupid sometimes when it comes to installing things. Like, you should have seen me the first time I tried to put up curtains. It was a mess. But I was literally able to get this thing on in like 15 minutes while also stopping to watch their install video, because their install video is great. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned it, these are from Fusion Motorsports USA. If you've seen people on Twitter or Reddit or the forums that are rocking a true carbon fiber dashboard replacement, 9 times out of 10, it's from these guys. Now, if you've already been in the market for a carbon fiber dashboard replacement and you just didn't know where to look, well, there you go. Click the link down in the description to head over to their website and make sure you use code MyTesla at checkout to get $50 off your order. They got this beautiful new Spectre Fiber. It's kind of just like a white carbon fiber in my opinion. They also have gloss black, so like traditional carbon fiber, and they also have a matte black carbon fiber. Now, for everyone else, the problem that I mentioned earlier is the fact that when I was first considering a Tesla and I was, of course, speccing out the highest trim, so a plaid that I totally couldn't afford, I was really bummed to see that the carbon fiber dash options for the S and the X weren't a thing for the 3 and Y. Like, not even on the performance versions, which is where you would expect to see carbon fiber options. Nope, either white or wood, and you couldn't interchange them with the seat colors, which to me made no sense from a consumer standpoint, at least. Okay, so enough of me being upset. Let's go ahead and let's take a look at this thing. But before we do, you all know that I'm all about transparency here. I'm not being paid by Fusion Motorsports USA to say anything good about this product. They're not paying me for this video. They're not even seeing this video before you all see this video. They sent this product out to me, and I get a small commission of every sale that happens when you use my link and my code. Just want to be upfront and let you all know. Looking at the carbon fiber dash, you can see that the actual carbon fiber piece, or Spectre Fiber, is perfect. I mean, it sits perfectly in the dash frame. Speaking of the dash frame, comparing it to the white one that came with the car, you literally can't tell a difference from the underside, which, I mean, isn't too surprising because, like I mentioned earlier, it's literally a Tesla OEM dash. Like, just pop the wood or the white out and slap some carbon fiber in it. Also, like I mentioned earlier, it's real carbon fiber, so it is indeed lighter, not by a whole lot, but lighter nonetheless. Now, that also means that these bad boys are pretty expensive, around $900 for the dash and door panel set. If you just get the dash, then I think they're like $600. But I mean, it's real carbon fiber and a real OEM Tesla dash, so that's definitely driving their cost to make this up. And I mean, you can definitely see where your money is going at here. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw this and the side piece on. So starting with the dash, how you take it off, it's super simple, but if you have a Gen 1, which was any dashboards manufactured before, I think Q2 of 2021, then you have a Gen 1. So there's like an extra step. You gotta like pop something off right here. If you have a car made after that, then you have a Gen 2. Which doesn't have that, so it's just one less step. And the cool thing about it is that these dashes, the ones from Fusion Motorsports USA, those are Gen 2s. So if you have a Gen 1 dash and you get one of their dashes, it literally turns your dash into a Gen 2. It's super simple. So start by taking this is included. So right here, this piece right here, all you gotta do is take this, get right up in there, just like that, kind of twist it. I like to get my hand under there and just pull it. And it comes off that easy. And then go over and do the same thing on the driver's side. Once you have both of these off, get ready to take your dash off. I know it can be super intimidating, but I promise you it's super easy. Literally right here, put your hand, then put your hand kind of in the middle part of where the glove box is and just pull up. You'll hear it, and then it's up, and you just wiggle it out, and there, your dash is off. And then from there, just go ahead and grab your Fusion Motorsports dash replacement. The gray side goes up. You can kind of line it up on the side with these things right here. So this lines up with this, and just kind of slide it in. Oh, I've gotten it caught down there. Like I said, I'm not good with installing things. And there we go. Once this side's been lined up, just start playing whack-a-mole. And then once you're done beating your dash down, go ahead and grab the parts, the side part that you took off, and just put it right in the same way that you took it off. So just line it up, push down, you're gonna hear some clicking, and it's good. Now let's go ahead and tackle the side door trim. All you're gonna need is that original tool that you use to work on the dash, and then this right here, which is also included. You're just gonna take the edge, you're gonna shove it down into kind of the little crevice here at the top, and there we go. There's a slight little gap here, so you can go ahead and throw the little pry tool in there. There we go. Once you hear that first kind of big pop, you take your hands and just slowly pull it, and out it comes. Now we're just gonna go ahead and grab the Spectre Fiber one. It looks literally the exact same on the underside as the OEM one. Take this little piece, line it up at the end. It kind of slots in, and then just push. And there we go. It's literally in there perfect, like perfect fit, perfect everything. This thing doesn't move at all. But yeah, that's literally all there is to the install. I mean, it's a perfect fit. Close the doors, it's not gonna rub. I mean, it looks amazing. And in my opinion, like I said, I think this is the best performance cosmetic upgrade you can do. I see people putting carbon fiber spoilers on. I see people putting carbon fiber lips, side mirror caps. And I mean, yeah, all those are great, but you see this every single time you drive the car, and it looks like it was meant to be in the car. And I mean, it gives your car some uniqueness. And with how many white exterior, black interior with wooden dashes Teslas I've seen, well, spicing it up a little bit could be pretty nice. Now, I also do want to quickly mention glare, because I know some people might have questions about that. And for the Spectre Fiber that I have here specifically, it's definitely less glary than the white. When you're actually driving, this is a whole lot less noticeable than the white dash, for example, because the white dash, when the sun hits it or light hits it, it kind of scatters the light and the entire thing kind of just brightens up. Or this one, if there's light hitting it, it's just one spot. It doesn't like scatter it around to literally everywhere. But that's really all I have to say. If you're interested in picking up a Spectre Fiber, this is like brand new. Like they literally just came out with this. Or if you're just looking to get the more traditional black carbon fiber or the matte carbon fiber, link down below. Make sure you use code MyTesla. You'll save 50 big ones on your order. But with all that being said, if you are new around here and you want to see more Tesla related content like this one, then feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video, as it really helps out the channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.